Okay, so let's get into this. It's amazing. So how is technology helping in the custom home building process?
Yes, you know what? One of my favorite features that we use when it comes to technology in this space is what we like to call the digital twin. Yeah, it allows us to create a 3D virtual replica of the home before construction starts. That way we can go over finishes, selections with the clients, and confirm everything to help avoid costly mistakes.
Right, and so they get to see it in advance. It's amazing. And how do you maintain just real-time quality control and keep clients informed about what's going on using cutting-edge technology?
Exactly. So what you can find is drones used in this space.
What?
So an aerial photo, that's right. So we can provide real-time updates while the client is miles away. You know, as it's the holiday season, people are on vacation, and they still want updates of their home. So we have that capable for them.
This is insane. It's amazing.
It's fun.
It's just really the next level of custom home building. Can you tell me what's going on in here? This is the drone.
Yeah,
right?
so that's the drone, and it's going to take an aerial scan of the house, not only provide photo and video, but LiDAR scan capabilities. That way we can create that digital twin of the home and focus on areas that either need to be renovated or a future build.
Are people just so excited when they see this?
You know what? They have a great time watching the reviews. Come straight to their phone. Yes, ma'am.
It comes right to your phone.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Upload it, go straight to your phone.
And so you're watching the advancement. This is like kind of before the build, and then it goes along the whole process. Okay, so tell us about other things that you do nowadays to guarantee speed, and then also, you know, make sure your team is staying on track as you meet that final delivery.
Yes, ma'am, exactly. So what we have is data-driven project management. So we focus on not only providing those updates, but measuring the data, minimizing the risk, minimizing costly mistakes and things like that. And then after that, we funnel it through AI just to make sure that we're not missing anything. So we don't use AI to replace what humans do. We just use it to enhance our team.
Wow. And what's the best way to reach out when we're looking for that next custom build?
Yeah, so just give us a call. You can call us directly on the phone using the phone number on the screen, and Google Residence by Ross. I'd love for them to check out the reviews.
Yeah, I've also followed you guys. I follow you on Instagram and Facebook too. So
we have fun.
I'm over there looking you up. Thank you so much, Darby. I feel like I'm just completely into that next era, like the Jetsons. I don't think you were born then. Anyway.
Yes, it was a good show.
Oh, so you know it.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, the preceding portion of Live at 9 was sponsored by Residence by Ross LLC.